Number 1, GMC 1 Ton Flatbed, 1964 year of issue. Customized 1964 GMC 3/4 ton truck. With dualies VIN 1502 PF, 2202 B, it runs and drives well, and the tires are in good shape. The upgrades include a small block Chevy V8 with an automatic transmission and power steering. The truck bed may have come from a wrecker, but we are not sure. The dualies and many other parts are not likely original and may have been updated when this truck was customized. This would make a great truck for someone to use as a tow vehicle for a vintage trailer or other interesting uses. Please, no lowball offers. Number 2, Ford Thunderbird, 1956 year of issue. Fiesta red convertible coupe with Ford-O-Matic transmission. Mileage is estimated at 87,820 but cannot be verified. The engine has been tuned up and ran when parked, the transmission has been resealed, and the rear end has been rebuilt and resealed. The engine does spin over by hand. The wiring has been redone in the engine compartment and dash. The front bumper and grille have been re-chromed. The bottoms of the rocker panels are not in the best of shape. And there were other spots in various places on the car. That needed some serious bondo. Number 3, Ford 3/4 ton pickup. 1971 year of issue, titled 69K original miles. .364 speed, starts and runs good. We have it pretty much drivable, brakes work. Would still recommend trailering at home for any distance. Looks nice yet, but the actual body on this one has gotten very rusty. I have a better box available if desired. I also have the stock wheels and tires if you would rather have them. Number 4, Jaguar 3, 8S. .1965 year of issue, superb body. Matching 3.8-liter twin-cam overdrive, 4SPD manual transmission. Short block engine professionally rebuilt. Cylinder head machined and ready to install. Buyer will need to complete assembly and installation of engine. Needs completion. Very good condition wood, nice gray leather interior, carpet and interior. Paint is overall good condition. Number 5. Mercury Marauder, 1964 year of issue. 1964 Mercury Marauder. Park lane trim, 2-door fastback, project car. .390 CI big block V8 with a new Holly Brawler 4-barrel carburetor. Engine runs and idles smoothly. 3-speed automatic transmission. Transmission shifts into gear. Brakes are new but not connected. Has a new master cylinder, new brake booster. New brake shoes, hardware, and calipers front and back. Brake lines need to be run from the calipers to the master cylinder. Number 6. Porsche 928. 1979 year of issue. A 1979 Porsche. €928 coupe. A desirable black with a tan leather interior. Five-speed manual transmission. 113,000 kilometers, 70k miles. The car was sitting in storage for the last 5 years. Paint is original. An excellent and straight body, but there are some dents mainly on the roof, and some by the headlight and the passenger door, as you can see in the pictures. Broken windshield and passenger door glass. The interior is all original and is all there but showing its age. Mechanically, the car does not run, but the engine turns over freely. Number 7. MGB. 1979 year of issue. Great running and driving convertible 4-speed manual transmission. Everything works exactly how it should. Has some wear on the seats. Otherwise very responsive and comfortable aftermarket radio with upgraded speakers. Come take a look. Number 8. Chevrolet Chevelle 1977 year of issue. 1977 Chevelle Malibu Classic Fast. Back 2 Dr. Bodywork is done. Floor and trunk is Rhino liner. Under the engine bay is all painted gloss black. The frame is painted and done. It comes with grille and all trim pieces and headlight bezels. New weather stripping, a lot of new parts. Rebuilt Posey differential, no engine or transmission. Posei 8.5 inches. Differential, great project car. You can get it ready for the summer, I just don't have any time to finish it. Comes with lots of new parts.